I'm Jacob Keim, and alongside me is Dylan Fedek, and welcome to the 2021 Winter Assembly, where we'll be introducing our student council and our winter sports captains.
That's right, Keim. We had great seasons all the way across the board. Not only will we be introducing these players, but we will also be talking about how their seasons went.
Let's meet our student council.
Annie Battle, student body president.
Helene Hart, senior class president.
Jordan Raddick, senior class vice president.
Thatcher Allen, freshman class representative.
Genevieve Pennell, freshman representative.
Kieran Anderson, freshman class president.
Will Caraway, freshman vice president.
Ashley Boss, student body secretary.
Ava Rosenzweig, student body vice president.
Farrell Zulkarnain, junior class president.
Genevieve Lynch, junior class vice president.
I'm Josh Gerges, and I'm the sophomore class president.
And next up, we have our winter sports captains.
Podrick Lang, boys basketball team captain. Brady Lang, boys basketball team captain.
One more time.
Why?
One more time.
Why? Tucker McBeth, boys basketball team captain.
Bryson Zanto, boys basketball team captain.
Esme Hurd, captain of the debate team.
Mason Scurry, debate captain.
Willow Craighead, speech captain.
Macy Thompson, speech captain.
Caleb Hedges, captain of the wrestling team.
Ryan Vanuka, captain of the swim team.
Isaac Duquenoy, captain of the swim team.
Sarah Guillen, captain of the swim team. Genevieve Lynch, girls wrestling captain. Gabby Klein, girls basketball team captain.
Macy Mayer, girls basketball team captain.
Addie Ekstrom, girls basketball team captain.
Kylie Judd, captain of the cheer team.
Emma Lackey, co-captain of VHS dance team.
Sylva Nessa, co-captain of the VHS dance team.
Savannah Steiner, captain of the VHS dance team. Annalise Pessel, Nordic skiing captain.
Gus Chisholm, Nordic ski captain.
AJ Battle, girls hockey captain.
Amy Colwick, captain of the gymnastics team. Bella Oliver, captain of the gymnastics team.
James Taylor, captain of the Special Olympics team.
So as you can see, it looks like we have a great lineup of players this year.
Let's see how our players can line up against these rapid fire questions.
Chocolate. Cookies and cream. Moose Tracks. Mint chocolate chip.
Moose Tracks.
Mint chocolate chip.
Banana peanut butter cup. Chocolate. Coffee. Moose Tracks. Mint. Vanilla.
Moose Tracks.
Bubblegum.
Chocolate run through it.
Strawberry.
Chocolate. Vanilla bean.
Moose Tracks.
Chocolate.
Salted caramel.
Chocolate.
Moose Tracks.
Passionate. Swaggy. Chillin'.
Big.
Small.
Epic. Welcoming.
Nice.
Energetic.
Gimme. Horse. Savage. Fun. Spontaneous.
Kind.
Outgoing. Bubbly.
Inspiring.
Resilient.
Washington football team.
Pittsburgh Steelers. The Cleveland Browns.
Pittsburgh Steelers.
Oakland Raiders.
Celtics. Colorado Avalanche.
Green Bay Packers.
49ers.
The Brooklyn Nets.
Tottenham Hotspur.
Broncos.
Colorado Avalanche.
Invested. Spended. The car. A cat.
More like frogs.
A lake house.
Probably a new car. A Lamborghini.
A house. A house.
A boat.
A horse.
A horse.
A Mustang. A boat.
Buy a McLaren Spider.
A house.
A lot of stuff.
A house.
A boat.
Ferrari. I don't have a new car. Bugatti.
A Supra.
Chevy Colorado.
One that is new.
Audi Q5.
Jeep Cherokee. Jeep Wrangler.
Range Rover.
Range Rover. A Mustang. Prius.
Skip.
A Mustang.
My blue Xterra.
Dodge Ram 3500.
None.
Mini Cooper.
Mustang.
Mustang.
Summer.
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 Spring.
Probably summer.
Fall.
Spring. Oh, summer. Spring.
Summer.
Summer. Fall. Winter.
Spring.
Summer.
Spring.
Winter.
Winter.
Summer and winter.
Fall.
Fall.
Zootopia.
Moana.
Don't have one.
Brother Bear.
Nemo.
Lion King.
Brother Bear.
Tangled.
Aladdin. Spirit.
Spirit.
Finding Nemo.
Princess and the Frog.
Mulan.
Cinderella.
Finding Nemo.
The Black Cauldron.
Mulan.
Aladdin.
Phineas and Ferb.
Mulan.
Princess and the Frog.
Disney Channel.
Disney Channel. Disney. Disney Channel.
Nickelodeon.
Nickelodeon for sure.
Nickelodeon.
Nickelodeon.
Disney Channel. Disney.
Disney.
Disney Channel. Disney Channel. Disney.
Disney.
Disney Channel.
Disney Channel.
Nickelodeon.
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 Disney Channel.
Disney Channel.
Disney Channel.
Just finished up the regular season. We had a 10-4 record and now we're moving on to the postseason. We're playing in the state tournament this weekend.
Catch me howling at the moon.
Have been progressively getting better all season, and we're ready to hit state this weekend.
Yeah, the Hawk girls have had a great season. Super excited to see how everyone does, and I think it'll be good.
Despite the challenges of COVID this year, we've all had a great season, improved a lot.
How did your season go?
It was a pretty good season. I got quarantined for over a month just due to the team and then myself getting it. Our team did pretty alright. We didn't get too many wins, but we wrestled hard and fought through as much as we could.
Good season. We took home the state championship, so we're super happy about that, and we have a record number of people going to nationals this year, so that's really exciting. Overall, it was a really great season considering the weird circumstances.
Yeah, it was really impressive. We were actually undefeated this year, which hasn't happened in a really long time, and we are so proud of the whole team for being able to do that.
The unique format allowed us to take every person to every tournament since bus seats weren't an issue, so a lot more people qualified and a lot more people lettered this year.
Just statistically, we had like the best season we've had in many, many years. 3-4 people, like Esme mentioned, are going to nationals. So it was a phenomenal season, and we'll see what happens in nationals.
So for debate, we did all of our rounds online, which was super interesting because we had to basically do Zoom meetings with our competitors and speak over the computer. And we had a lot of technical difficulties, but it all worked out in the end.
For the speech people, we basically were giving our speeches to an empty room and a single computer. So we were performing basically to no one except for there were people on the Google Meet computer, which was different for a lot of us who are used to having a pretty large audience often.
Yeah, it made it very interesting because we had to do a lot more checks on mics and cameras to make sure things were working right and that they could see us. And obviously the Wi-Fi cut out several times and people had to redo their speeches. But
Yep, we were totally dependent on the Wi-Fi working, and that didn't happen all the time. And it was weird because we kind of just sat there, or for debate, we kind of just sat in a room alone and talked to a computer for hours on end. So yeah, it was weird, but it was great. Yeah.
I think they found that we spent 200 hours at the school over the season.
So the speech and debate season was quite a good one this year. We capped off an undefeated season, the first undefeated season since 1984 in speech and debate in Montana. So it was a great thing to see a team come together through a very weird arrangement for competing and compete very well. We won the state championship as a team, and we'll end up sending 34 people to the national tournament, which is by far the most anyone has ever sent. So it was a very good season.
Obviously, we took home the state championship, so we're super excited about that. But overall, it was just a really great season. As a senior, it was an awesome last season to have with the team.
Yeah, we're really excited for nationals. It was a great way to end the season, and yeah, super fun.
Our gymnastics season's going great so far. We have state at the end of March.
And we've been very lucky to be able to compete during COVID. We're having lots of fun, and we're just going to keep getting better from here, and we're excited to where we go for state.
We do bars, beam, floor, and vault, all four, and then those combine to an all-around score, which we place off of.
We're the girls varsity Ice Dogs team. We had a fun season. We took second at state.
Okay.
Vanilla.
Moose tracks.
Chocolate.
None.
Chocolate.
I'm in chocolate chip.
Simone Biles.
Jason Tatum.
Connor and Anchor.
Serena Williams.
Serena Williams.
Carrie Walsh Jennings.
Skip.
Nursing.
Probably being an accountant.
Okay, college or something.
Rich.
Pass.
Working.
Running.
Short.
Funny.
Weird.
Happy.
Driven.
Motivated.
Peppy.
Skip.
The Boston Celtics.
I don't know.
Chargers.
Tennis.
Seahawks.
Cross country.
A plane.
I would buy a house, a car.
Plane.
A house.
Donate it to a good charity.
Travel.
College.
Skip.
I don't really know a specific one, but all memories are good, you know.
I don't know.
Don't have any.
Football games.
Football games.
I'm a freshman, so I don't really have any.
A Range Rover.
A Jeep.
Porsche.
Bugatti.
I don't have one.
Don't have one.
Volvo XC70.
Spring.
Winter.
Winter.
Fall.
Summer.
Summer.
All of them.
High School Musical, the second.
Has to be Moana.
Frozen.
The Little Mermaid.
I don't like Disney.
Don't have one.
Star Wars.
Disney.
Disney Channel all the way.
Nickelodeon.
Disney Channel.
Neither.
Nickelodeon.
Disney Channel.